Hello. Did you ever ask yourself why ChatGPT is not able to give you the current time that you have? This is quite normal in static language models like ChatGPT and so on. They rely on data for a fixed date. They cannot integrate live information like flight tracking information or other live information like the current soccer results of your favorite team. In this talk, I want to show you how you can use the Semantic Kernel SDK from Microsoft, which is open source, to integrate it into your own solutions where you create language tools or language models or solutions based on that in your own applications. For that, I switch now to Visual Studio and my demo solution. Here you can see the same intelligent or stupid model or chat model to retrieve some live information. What time is it? And it gives me back the same results as the official ChatGPT client. Sorry, as an artificial intelligence, I don't have real-time clock or live data access. So that's quite a typical problem. And for that, I switch to the solution of it and explain it how I solved the problem with semantic kernel. So I read here some information of my solution like the keys, endpoint, and model name, and use them just to create a chat completion service in my application. And some additional things, I have here a chat history and a small menu or introduction. Until I enter exit, the application runs and will ask the user for input and give information back. So this is a very, very small console application to do chats. Here you see the magic behind it. DataTime plugin is a semantic kernel function plugin. And here with two simple attributes, I can add additional logic to this. With attribute kernel function, I mark it as a kernel function, and with this description, what date is today or what day or week is today, what time is it, I add sample texts or phrases or intentions to this and return live data. This is very high complicated code here. You could also enter here some SQL database queries, REST API calls, or whatever. At least they should return some live data or should do it also fast. And here you return it as a given type like date time back to the model. Here you see the code to add those methods or functions, like plugins to it. When I start the application again, I can ask, what time is it? And we will create here a breakpoint. And we'll see that the language model detects the intention and redirects to my internal method here and gives me back the current time is 11:48. So I ask, what time is it? I didn't ask what date is today. So what date is today? And with that, it jumps directly into the breakpoint and returns this to my application in the correct format. So what date is today is not my mother language. So welcher Tag ist heute is German for what day is today. So, and here you see that in Germany, we write the date format differently. So this is the day of week, but welches Datum ist heute will returns the date of today, which is written in another format. 25. April 2024, 25th April 2024. We write it differently in Germany than in the UK or US. USA. So this is a very simple explanation. The application stops here. So if you want to learn more, please contact me or write me an email. Thank you.